Many years ago now, I was training in the nose-to-nose style of improvised clowning. And while doing that, I realized how many parallels there were in that work with our mindfulness practice. But I think that maybe the most important one is that we learn to regain a sense of play and fun and ability to meet the world as our inner child can, and also our inner fool, because we all have a clown inside us there. And the nose-to-nose style of clowning is about allowing that to live. So although clown will bring up pictures in your mind immediately, I suspect, of slapstick and big shoes and lots of painted faces and performing, this is a completely different type of clown. We could maybe call it fooling rather than clowning. That might bring up a different image for you. And I'm going to work with a nose-to-nose qualified teacher, Carol Thompson. And so we're going to offer a one-day tasting workshop to just have a little bit of a taste about what this work might be. So I will leave you to click a link and find out a little bit more about what we're going to offer you. Thank you for listening.